Most people don't fail to make money because they lack ideas. They fail because their income has no structure. They work hard, try different things, and earn occasionally, but the numbers never stay consistent. One good month, one bad month, then stress again. That's not a motivation problem. It's a system problem. What actually works is building income in the correct order, step by step instead of chasing everything at once. When income grows randomly, it feels unstable. When income grows by design, it becomes predictable. This approach is called the income stack. It's not about getting rich fast. It's about building income that lasts. The full journey usually takes between 18 and 36 months. Some move faster, some move slower. But most people who follow the sequence reach the same destination, around 10,000 per month, consistently. The stack has 4 phases. Each phase has a clear goal, income range, and purpose. Phase 1 is the foundation phase. The goal is simple: reach 1,000 to 2,000 per month, not passively, not magically, but reliably. This phase usually takes 3 to 6 months. You don't start by learning something new. You start by using what you already know. Writing, design, editing, coding, bookkeeping, spreadsheets, operations, or any skill people already pay for. The objective isn't perfection. The objective is proof. You test one skill and try to get paid within 7 days. Once money comes in, you focus on that one skill only. Next, you price it correctly. You take your current income, convert it to an hourly number, and increase it by about 50%. Then you aim for 3 clients, not 10, not 20. 3 clients paying $300 to $500 per month. That alone puts you between $1,000 and $1,500. This income doesn't replace your job yet. It stabilizes your foundation. When that income stays consistent for a few months, you move to phase 2. Phase 2 is the multiplication phase. The target is $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Now the focus shifts from hours to value. You stop selling time and start selling outcomes. You package services. You introduce recurring revenue. You raise prices gradually. You also build a simple lead system so opportunities arrive every week. Most people reach $4,000 to $5,000 per month here while working fewer hours than before. That's the signal to move forward. Phase 3 is the scaling phase. The target is $6,000 to $8,000 per month. This is where systems replace effort. You document how work gets done. You delegate delivery. You keep strategy and oversight. You may add digital products, consulting, or affiliates, but only after the core income is stable. At this stage, part of your income no longer depends on your daily labor. When 7,000 plus becomes normal, you enter phase 4. Phase 4 is optimization. The goal is 10,000 per month and beyond, not by adding more, but by removing what doesn't work. You double down on the strongest revenue source. You raise prices to the top of the market. You simplify operations. At the same time, you invest consistently so money begins working in the background. At this point, income becomes predictable. Stress decreases. Growth continues quietly. There are faster paths and slower paths, but the sequence stays the same. Foundation first, then multiplication, then scaling, then optimization. If you skip steps, income breaks. If you follow the order, income stacks. Your next step isn't to do everything. It's to identify which phase you're in and execute only that phase. That's how real financial progress is built.